here is my quarantine parody. Hello neighbor, my old friend, when will this quarantine end? I see you in your window creeping, as I stand with my broom sweeping, and this room where we stand and we just wave, I will remain because of COVID-19. In this garage I walk alone, playing ping pong on my own, neath the face of a midday moon, ready for bed and it's only noon, when my eyes catch the glimmer of your face, 6 feet away, because of COVID-19. And in the neighborhood I saw no one in the park at all, no one coughing, no one sneezing, passing people without breathing, no shaking hands or fist bumps, no high fives. This is our lives because of COVID-19. Fool said I, you do not know, coronavirus, it just blows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Don't take my arms, I might infect you. So stay at home, watch Netflix and just chill, and solve who killed good old Donald Baskin, as essential workers pave the way and first responders save the day.